Od prvih korakov v slovenskem policijskem mirovništvu leta 1997 je največ policistov, skupno kar 134, sodelovalo v misiji UNMIK na Kosovu.
Jaz sem prišel na Kosovo novembra 2007 kot zadnja rotacija slovenskega kontingenta v UNMIK.
Kakšne so v bistvu tvoje naloge?
Danes so se naloge proti včasih, ko je imel UNMIK še širši mandat, precej spremenile. Odkar je EULEX prevzel, imamo mi v bistvu samo funkcijo monitoringa oziroma opazovanja in pa zbiranja podatkov za periodična poročila v Varnostnem svetu Organizacije združenih narodov. Se pravi, zbiranje podatkov za poročila periodično. S tem, da največ fokusa pa polagamo na obravnavanje manjšin se strani policije in pa manjšine znotraj policije. Se pravi, to je naš največji, bom rekel, podarek, ki ga spremljamo.
Nadaljevanje mednarodne prisotnosti na Kosovu predstavlja misija EULEX.
Slovenska policija sodeluje v misijah na Kosovu že od leta 2000. Pričeli smo v misiji UNMIK, se pravi leta 2000, in smo sodelovali v UNMIK-u do 2008. 2008 je posle na Kosovu prevzela EULEX misija, katera je še zdaj. Se pravi, mandat imamo do leta 2014, junija.
Gre za največjo civilno misijo Evropske unije doslej, katere cilj sta pomoč in podpora kosovskim institucijam pri izgradnji vladavine prava, zlasti na področjih policije, pravosodja in carine.
Well, this mission is important because it is, by its size, it's the largest foreign mission launched by the European Foreign Affairs in the world. It says a lot about the commitment that member states have for this part of the world. We have, since we arrived here in 2008, I think, had quite a lot of successes when it comes to implementing rule of law. Of course, the situation is extremely complicated. We found a situation that was more or less in a post-conflict, so that there are a lot of challenges. But what we can say is that after 4 years, we've managed to achieve quite a number of things in the 3 areas in which we were involved. In matters of justice, we've been instrumental in reshaping and helping Kosovo to set out laws that were abiding to European standards. We've also achieved results in terms of fighting corruption, in putting war crime criminals behind bars, and I mean, we have more than 249 cases, and we have more than 37 high-profile cases in terms of corruption. When it comes to the police, we were present at the lowest level to the highest level. After 4 years, we can say that the police force, the local Kosovo police force, has achieved quite an improvement in terms of standards, to the point that we're now more and more at the level of the decision-making, so framing strategies together with the Kosovo police, and not so much anymore at the lowest level. When it comes to customs, well, the customs is almost standing on its 2 feet without us, and we're there only with very precise expertise. So we can say that we have achieved quite a number of results. We have contributed to the bettering of the rule of law in general, but a lot needs to be done still.
12 slovenskih policistov naloge opravlja v izvršnem policijskem oddelku, v katerega so umeščene tudi specialna enota, enota za varovanje oseb, kriminalistično-obveščevalna enota in analitska služba.
Moj delovnik izgleda takole. Začnem z delom ob 8:30 in delam do 5:30, se pravi od ponedeljka do petka. Glede na naravo dela smo v bistvu on-call 24 ur na dan. Jaz osebno delam v enoti Criminal Intelligence Unit, kjer zbiramo podatke in z njimi suportiramo Evropsko unijo, misijo in pa sodelujemo z kosovsko policijo.
Sem Jelka Kozole, delam na severu, na bivšem Gate 1, sedaj je to Crossing Point Rudnica Jarinje, tako da stacionirana sem pa v Mitrovici. To je moja prva misija, sedaj sem tukaj že 4. mesec. Počutje je v redu, smo se prilagodili, navadili, delam pa gor na tej mejni točki skupaj z srbskimi in kosovskimi varnostnimi organi, pa EULEX je gor prisoten.
Jaz sem Matjaž Manolak, v misiji EULEX od septembra leta 2012, to je sicer moja druga misija. Delam kot svetovalec direktorata za podporo preiskavam kosovske policije na Generalni policijski upravi. Ukvarjam se predvsem z svetovanjem in spremljanjem dela tega omenjenega direktorata. Moja naloga je v bistvu spremljanje izpolnjevanja tehničnih standardov glede uporabe posebne opreme in pa priprave predpisov z tega področja. Kot Slovenci v misiji smo zelo cenjeni, nas zelo spoštujejo predvsem zaradi poznavanja geostrateškega položaja in pač razumevanja mentalitete.
Ime mi je Milanka Juk, delam na oddelku za organiziran kriminal. Vodim tim 15 preiskovalcev. Preiskujemo delovanje ene mednarodne kriminalne združbe. Večina osumljencev živi na Kosovem. Ostali člani kriminalne združbe pa pravzaprav kar v 15 ostalih državah. Ta preiskava je ena izmed najbolj uspešnih v EULEX-u. V lanskem letu smo aretirali okoli 40 ljudi in se še nadaljuje. Moja izkušnja z misije veliko dela, ogromno sem se naučila, spoznala strokovnjake z cele Evrope. Med njimi tudi imam veliko prijateljev, ki bodo ostali v mojem življenju. Ponosna sem, da sem lahko predstavljala Slovenijo v mednarodnem okolju in vesela za vse pohvale, za vse potrditve, ki sem jih dobila pri svojem dvoletnem delu na Kosovem.
Slovenski policisti so med več kot 2000 mednarodnimi predstavniki v misiji EULEX na Kosovu še posebej cenjeni.
Dokazujemo, da smo na področjih, kjer delujemo profesionalni, strokovni in to nam priznavajo tako tujci kot lokalna policija. Imamo prednost, ker poznamo geografsko območje, poznamo zakonodajo, katera je podobna kot pri nas, tako da v tej fazi imamo prednost pred ostalimi.
It is very easy to work with our Slovenian police colleagues. We have two of them in our gate. One is Elke Kozole and the other one is Matthias Vrabec. They are disciplined officers. They have priority to speak local language and in general they are good ambassadors of Slovenia here.
Slovenci lahko prispevamo k uspehu misije z našim znanjem, katerega prenašamo na kosovsko policijo. Prav tako delimo znanje z ostalimi policisti, evropskimi policisti, kar pomeni tudi, da je velik doprinos nam osebno oziroma naši policiji. Se gre za izredne izkušnje, katere ne moreš dobiti drugače kot sodelovanjem v misiji.
The cooperation with Slovenian police is very good, I think, taking into consideration all the periods that we passed here in Kosovo. Starting with from the training or from recruitment and selection of Kosovo police and the training of the Kosovo police officer in the police academy. We started there, or we started Kosovo police to build from the scratch, from nothing, with the new generation, and we see and we are very thankful to the Slovenian police that they helped us also in the training process or in training place, starting from the police academy. Then also in the field training, during the training in the stations. We had a lot of police officers that used to work in the stations with UNMIK police or part of the UNMIK mission or United Nations mission here in Kosovo, and they did a very good job or great job. As I told many occasions, the Slovenian police are very welcome here in Kosovo because they can be integrated, or they were integrated in the Kosovo society here much easy, comparing with other police organizations or police officers from different countries, because they knew the geography, they knew the history of this country. Somehow they can speak some languages so that we can understand each other, and this was a good opportunity for us. Now Slovenian police are part of the EULEX police, and they are doing also a great job in the cooperation between Kosovo police and EULEX police. They are helping us to develop our capacities, especially in specific areas, and I can mention here organized crime, economic crime, corruption, financial crimes, and also supports for the investigation, which is very important for us. And if we take into consideration the results that we have last year in the fighting in organized crime, we didn't publish yet the annual report, but recently we are going to publish this report, and you can see, or you can have the statistics, and which shows very good results. And these results are part of engagement of Kosovo police, dedication, but also support by EULEX police in this area. And I can say that Slovenian police did a significant support to the Kosovo police in this regard.